Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Seniors channel. Here, the wisdom of nature comes alive. Discover powerful natural remedies today for a healthier tomorrow. If you found today's video helpful, stay healthy, stay smart, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy living tips so you'll be the first to see our upcoming videos about healthy living.
Today we're going to talk about a problem that almost everyone experiences at least once in their life: diarrhea or gastroenteritis. What causes it? How can you treat it? And most importantly, what are the top 5 foods that can help you recover faster? Stay tuned till the end, because these tips are both practical and science-backed. What is gastroenteritis? Gastroenteritis is an inflammation of the stomach and intestines, usually caused by viruses, bacteria, or parasites. Common symptoms include frequent loose stools, stomach cramps, nausea, vomiting, and sometimes fever. The biggest danger is dehydration, so it's important to act quickly. Causes. The most common causes of diarrhea are eating unwashed fruits or vegetables, drinking unsafe water, poor hygiene, and sometimes infections from viruses or bacteria. That's why people often say, dirty hands are the stomach's worst enemy. Symptoms. Main symptoms include frequent watery stools, abdominal pain, nausea and vomiting, sometimes fever and signs of dehydration like dry lips, excessive thirst, and dizziness. If these symptoms get worse, you should see a doctor right away. General treatment advice. The first step in treating diarrhea is replacing lost fluids. Drink plenty of boiled or clean water or oral rehydration solutions, ORS. As for food, keep it light. Avoid fried, fatty, and spicy meals. And now, let's talk about the top 5 foods that can help you recover faster. Top 5 foods. 1. Banana. Bananas are rich in potassium, which the body loses during diarrhea. They also provide quick energy and are gentle on the stomach. No wonder people say, bananas stop diarrhea. There's science behind it. 2. Rice. Rice water or porridge. Rice is one of the best foods for calming the stomach. Rice water or soft porridge helps absorb excess fluid and slows down bowel movements. 3. Chicken broth. Chicken broth not only restores fluids and electrolytes, but also provides easy-to-digest nutrients. In many cultures, giving broth to a sick person is tradition, and modern science agrees it really helps. 4. Toast or plain crackers. Toast or dry crackers are simple, easy to digest, and help absorb some of the fluid in the intestines. They're a classic home remedy for an upset stomach. 5. Probiotic foods, like yogurt or kefir. Yogurt and kefir contain probiotics, good bacteria that restore the natural balance of the gut. Studies show that probiotics can shorten the duration of diarrhea and speed up recovery. Prevention. Prevention is better than cure. Always wash your hands with soap, drink only clean or boiled water, wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly, and for children, vaccination against rotavirus is highly recommended. So, gastroenteritis or diarrhea can be unpleasant and sometimes dangerous, but with the right foods and proper care, you can recover quickly. Remember, stay hydrated, eat light, and keep good hygiene.
Thanks for watching. What topic would you like us to cover in our next video? Leave your ideas in the comments. We'll create a video on the most requested topic just for you. If you found today's video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends. And of course, make sure to subscribe so you'll be the first to see our upcoming videos about healthy living. Your opinion means a lot to us. Stay healthy and stay with us.